Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to once again give my annual video on how to tell the difference between crabgrass and Dallisgrass. It's very, very important to know the difference. They get mistaken for each other all the time, and you treat them very, very differently. You deal with them very differently, so you don't want to apply the wrong products or take the wrong course of action on a plant or on a weed that that you've misidentified, and thus everything you've done is just not going to work. So very important to know the difference. In this yard, it's real easy to tell the difference because you've got both plants side by side. So if you've got them side by side, you can kind of tell the difference here. They have different shaped leaves, different shades of green even. But the best way to tell the difference, to be sure, is looking at the seed heads. If you look at the Dallisgrass seed heads, it looks like it's a stem that comes out of the plant, and then it looks like it's got basically caterpillars hanging off the side of it. That's what they look like, little caterpillars that are hanging off the sides of the stem, and that's a Dallisgrass seed head. Your crabgrass, on the other hand, it kind of shoots straight up. The seed, the stem shoots straight up, and the seeds come out the very top of that stem, and they're much more fine, much smaller, and they're kind of in the shape of a chicken foot. That's kind of what they look like. So very different seed heads. That's the best way to tell the difference. Now, what if your crabgrass doesn't have seed heads? Because right now it's not seeding very much. It took me a very long time to find that one seed head from that crabgrass plant. Well, you can also tell by looking at the root system. So pull some of the plant out of the ground and take a good look at the root system. You can really easily identify the root system of a Dallisgrass plant by the little ridges or ribs, they call them, that the root system has. That's how you know you're dealing with the Dallisgrass plant. If it doesn't have that, then you know you're dealing with the crabgrass plant. So that's another way to tell the difference. But again, make sure you know the difference. Make sure you're identifying these plants, and then making a plan accordingly on how to deal with them, because they are very, very different. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Thanks.